Hi, so we are at what is going to be our home from tomorrow, and we are very excited. And all of this journey has been with Jackie and Selena. So we have been, it's a very emotional moment for us to be in our first home.
So you're very happy right now.
Yes, and I think this started more than a year ago. We just went in, and then that's when we met Jackie. And Jackie, you were so warm and kind and calm and like
very patient.
Yes, exactly. And I think you kind of we saw that you don't think about now and this house or something. You think about lifetime and all the things that will happen.
When we spoke to realtors, they asked us questions like, okay, who is representing you? Do you have anyone in mind? And when we mentioned Jackie, people recognized immediately. And they were told that you're in great hands. And it was so nice to know that Jackie, you have such great reputation in the realtor world in general. So we were like very happy continuing being with you and just taking your guidance.
There were so many questions. What we could afford, what kind of house we want, whether we want a house, whether we want a condo or a townhome, do we want to stay in an apartment, when do we buy it?
We used to feel so happy just meeting you, and we're like, we learned so much. So every time it was like a step forward, and that is something we really loved.
We spend a lot of time learning on the internet, but what you can learn on the internet is very different from like, finally you have to utilize it and you have to meet an expert like you. And every time we went to a home, like, you were very accurate in predicting like what the price would be. And later on when we saw it on Realtor, it was like, yeah, your predictions are absolutely right.
And Selena was very quick to understand what we like, what works for us, what doesn't. And the next day we saw 3 houses, this being one of them. And we just felt she was so quick in understanding our needs, coming up with the right kind of houses that really help us. I felt like, Jackie, you had like a great team. Richard being an architect who provided us so many different ideas about how to change like the remodeling, the kitchen, what would be the cost for every square foot if you want to make some changes to the tiles. It was so good to get that perspective. Everyone worked in harmony. And there was so much of bonding, a long-term kind of a plan. So it wasn't like something hurriedly done, very well organized. It was pretty hands-free for us. So we could really think a lot more about other areas.
So if you have a good team, then you don't have to worry about the other stuff. Like you can focus on the fun stuff as well.
It felt like we were like doing everything so smoothly compared to even some of our friends. So a lot of learning curve, and it was good. It was like a good, nice learning curve. Yes, in fact, we were also thinking once we go for probably a second home at some point or selling this off, we'll again be reaching out to Jackie, Selena. This is such a great team. It's almost like a lifelong kind of a relationship that we have built. It's like so warm and so good.
It's a different role as a seller agent.
Yeah, that will be different to actually see how we're going to be as a sellers.
Yeah, that's good. And maybe the buyers as well.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we are definitely looking forward to that.